Welcome to the show.
Come with us now on a journey through time and space.
To the world.
Hello! Ah dear, just getting ready. And it's raining a little. Only a little, it's a bit patchy. Still get out. Just wait for it to ease off a little. Hello and welcome back to Shilling King Metal Detector UK. Me Deano. I am back on the paddock I found that lovely Georgian silver knife. This one here, it's a fruit knife. Early 19th century, so 1810, 18, you know, Georgian silver. That's quite nice. I've just given it to the landowners, and it's going on their mantelpiece. Happy with that. That's nice. They're really chuffed with it, and it's just nice to give something back in it. It's part of the house and grounds history, so it stays here. What can I do with it? Anyway, yeah. So, oh, here come the horses. They're coming to see what I'm doing. Hold on. Let me go around a bit so you can see they're coming. There they are. Here they come. Cheeky monkeys. Yeah, I'll leave them to it. Yeah, so yeah, welcome to all my new subs. Hello, welcome aboard. Bit bonkers, isn't it, really? But you know, I try my best to make it a bit fun. So yeah, I'll stop babbling. Without further ado, let us see what we can find. Catch one the first. Ooh, well, this has been a bit of a nightmare to get. I don't know whether you can see this. Look what I got. Ooh, and oh, that is not what I thought it was going to be. Can you see me? Oh. Whoops. Oh God. Oh dear. Just let me get back to you. Well, I'll tell you now, whatever that is, it can stay there, because that is ridiculous. Anyone else have holes like this? Fessing up, man. Can't find it. I'm not going further than a foot and a half. This has got to be. Oh, rain started now. Anyway, happily moving on from that nonsense. Nah, well, I spent quite some time on that. Didn't leave me much time to do the rest, but it's gone. So yes, moving on to a target. That'd be nice. That was probably really deep iron. Really deep iron. Give me a nice signal. Very annoying. Don't worry, I checked all the side walls. I dug out another 6-inch all the way around. It was down deep. Anyway, moving on. Well, I've had no luck at all, and the next signal just sums it up. Yes, there it is. Foil. Yay! Moving on.
My name's Howard Moon. This is my apprentice, Vince Noir. Apprentice? Get stuffed, you're my apprentice. Don't start showing out.
Right, I think I have something in here. Somewhere, I don't know where. Playing with my new toy, which I absolutely love. There's a mic there. As you can tell, I'm not left-handed. Oh, it's in there somewhere. Yeah, let me swap hands. Where's it gone? Oh God, give me a second. Coming to one of them days. Yes, thought as much. Another bit of foil. Ah, great. I think these horses poo foil. I don't know, or I've got my machine set to foil. Better turn it off. Oh God. Anyway, sorry about this nonsense. Moving on.
I'm carrying a bucket of seed. How am I supposed to get involved in that? This is the best job in the zoo. Millet distribution.
God, that horse is trumping like a good one. Yes. Oh yeah, I wish I'd have caught it actually. Be more interested in my finds. Yeah. 50s-ish. Gotta dig him, fortunately, and that's what you bloody get. Shut up, helicopter. Anyway, moving on. Yeah, if you're watching this and you're just starting out metal detecting, don't worry, it can get better. Not much, but yeah, it might do. Hold on, I think I've got some dirt on the screen. I don't know why I did that, because I can see myself clearly, idiot. Yes, it does get better. But, you know, there's got to be something else in this paddock, and I'm having it. Anyway, moving to the next. I think the, I'm sorry, that's a bit wobbly. I think the next find sums up this little hunt. Yes. Worst find, bar none. For the foil, I think. Oh dear. Oh well. These things happen, don't they? It's a laugh. Getting some fresh air. And digging holes and getting tired. Moving on. Well, that's it, I think. Run out of time. That's not much, is it? It's just annoying signals on this one, I'm afraid. Oh, dearie me. Yeah, no artifact from the Great Mouse Wars. No. To be fair, I'd struggle to find that massive metal hinge over there today on the burn pit. Anyway, yes, moving on. Well, that's it from me. Do you like it up there? Good, isn't it? Get out that tree. Yeah, so I will bid you adieu, and catch you next time. So it's been rubbish, isn't it? Sorry. Sometimes it's like this, and I did run out of time because I spent too much time at that hole. So yeah. Best of luck on your next one. Don't forget to fill in your holes properly, wear gloves. Oh dearie me, that wind's a bit bitter. Good luck and happy hunting. What else can I say? I will catch you on the next. Bye for now. How did I find the £8 off Amazon digging tool? Brilliant, fantastic, worth every penny. I'll bang a link up to it. Yeah, save spending 40 quid and not getting a holster. I mean, the holster might last 2 minutes, who cares, but it works. Did the biz. Anyway.
Moving to the review.
Think of this this digging tool I got off Amazon. Here's the link to the Amazon. Well, there's the picture of it anyway. Right, so first of all, £8 plus £4 post and packaging. You can see it's well made, pretty sturdy. It's not chocolate, Steve. Anyway, yeah, there you go. But it's got called the digging tool. It blade solid, good and thick, hefty. It's not springy, it's not bendy, it's good stuff. Right, handle, it's comfortable, it's good and fat, it's got a good grip anyway. It felt good when I was using it anyway. Balance, it's got a lovely balance. Ta-da, there you go. That's knives anyway. Yeah, so there you go. I haven't got it written up on the board up there, honestly. Yeah, digging, it's great. It's a good digging tool. Excellent. Does the business, really. Better than the little £3 gardening tools I've been using. Value for money, absolutely amazing. If you consider these are about, well, the carrot one's about 40 quid, aren't they? 30, 40 quid, 25, 26. This was £8 plus purchasing packing from Amazon. There's me, hello. Oh, sorry about that shadow. Yeah, so I would give this, out of 10, 8 crowns. Yeah, that's the way I do it. 8 crowns. It does include a holster as well. Yeah, there you go, there's a picture of it in its holster, in its happy place. Pouch, holster, whatever you like to call it. I love it. So, John, if you want to replace your £3 garden tool, yeah, this is the job for you. I mean, there's available at reasonable prices. I just thought, you've got to have a go for £8, haven't you? Anyway, that's my thoughts. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got one of these. I can't remember who I saw that had one. But that's it for me on this little review of the digging tool. The name of which I can't remember. It's an £8 digging tool off Amazon. If I remember the name of it, whatever, I'll post it up. Apologies for this hunt being absolutely atrocious, but I tell you what, let's do a mail call first. Hi, here's a little mail call for you. Well, not for you, for me, really. Oops, let me get there. I can tell he's an engineer because he's used masking tape to seal it up, like I would do. Yeah. I have received mail from Mr. Steve Pettican, the man who works with metal and licks it to see what it is. Yes, look at them. Ready? There was 3, but I've one's on my wall already. Thanks, mate. They are ace. Good ears, look. Ooh. Cheers, mate. Hopefully you got mine. So yeah, moving on to the stuff. That didn't work, did it? Moving to something else.
Don't touch me. He's such a joker. He's always doing stuff. I'm not joking. Don't ever touch me. Not now, not during the show, not ever. Don't touch me.